Hey guys, good morning. So it is Wednesday, the 8th of January. It's 11:30 just 11:30 Central European time, which is 10:30 UK time. So we're like a mid 4 hour candle print at the moment. Um, yeah, due to print at 1. So yeah, yesterday what we were looking at, I'm just going to jump over to the movers. So apply to all. Okay, yeah. So I had this, didn't I? So this is the daily. So this is the weekly down here. And I was saying we might get stopped. This is what I was drawing yesterday. We might roll over here and get stopped at this weekly. And basically we did. This has kind of happened over here. So if I actually just put that on the chart, that's what I thought might happen. And we got to this area here. And then yesterday we've had a big smash down. So we've kind of failed at this area. I was kind of hoping we might get above it and then retest and then go for it, but that's not happened right now. So one thing we have to be careful with is that the bigger game at play here. So on the monthly, we're still bullish. We've got all month to play around up here, or we can drop below these moving averages. But even if we drop below these moving averages, there might be another push, there might be another push, and things like that. But at the moment, we've got divergence here, we've got divergence here. So on the monthly, it doesn't look great, but this can continue. So I'm not too worried about it. Secondly, we have the weekly. So we've had this nice little push here on the weekly, another push which was a failure. We rolled over into a sell. We've now dropped below the monthly. And yesterday we were the other day we were trying to push back up and then it failed. And now we're into like a bearish territory, I suppose, with the weekly. We're bearish. We're below the moving averages here, but we're not below the zero line. So we're not an official sell on the weekly, but we are in a definite pullback zone. So we could end up with like an A, B, C maybe. We need something because that move there was quite big. Um, so yeah, we do need some form of correction, but then also we don't really need one. So over here onto the daily, what we have is we had this push. Yes, we've got. I had described this yesterday. We had like a bit of a true wave. So when it popped up above here, we needed a pullback retest and then another launch, but we've not kind of failed. The only hope here is the 2 day is below the 3 day. The 1 day is above all of those. So the only thing here is if we can hold some kind of area. So if we can be bought up around here, which on the 3 days are still in buy, the 2 days in a sell zone, and the 1 day is in a sell zone. So right now we're a sell below these 30 moving averages. What we could end up with here is this is my optimistic Pete jumping in. So we've got this push, this push. Yep. We've got this push. Now we're above the 2 day and 3 day. So what we could do, find some support around here, get back above the 30s, and then this might turn bullish. And then we might start continuing with 1 day, 2 day, 3 day in bullish. And then this could pull the weekly around. But there's a lot more market action to be done yet. Down here on the 4 hour, so the 1 hour is the white hour, is the white line, sorry. And then we've got the 4 hour, 8 hour, and daily. So the daily is just like a bearish at the moment, but it's down into the bearish zone over here. We can see the updated data there. It's just on a higher time frame. We don't get that. The 1 hour is looking good and looking like it should bounce from around here. So it might bounce around here, might come to these moving averages or the median of the percentile bands. But right now we're doing a nice little bottom forming. It's like it's finding support. It's come to the bottom bands. It's finding support on the 4 hour. So what we need now is if this can like turn around and get going again and then pull this up, we might even end up like with a push lower on price to wipe these lows. And then we might end up with divergence here, and then we might get going again, and then that could just pull these around over the next like couple of days. Um, So yeah, that's it for the moment on there. I'll get this video released. That is the total market cap. Please like and subscribe. Join our Discord and all the rest of it. And then I'll do the blue chips and movers next. Thank you.